Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to block ads on Chrome. If you're using a website and you will find there's so many ads and you find it irritating, you want to block them, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to open up your Chrome and then you have to go to the extension store, which is also known as the Chrome Web Store or the extension store. Simply get there, then click on extension, and in the search bar you have to search for ad block. Make sure you go with the same spelling I'm going with. Then you will see this first one, which is the ad block. You will see this blue tick and you will also see that rating is really good. Simply click onto it and add to Chrome. So it will just take a while in the downloading and installing of this extension. Once it gets done, it will take you to his website. You can just simply close it, get back to here, and then you have to simply enable it. For that, you can click on the extensions and simply click onto it and it will open. It will show you that how many ads it has blocked and the status, like if it is running or not. So you don't have to do any other thing, just simply enable this extension and it will all block the ads for you. So that's how you will be able to block ads on Chrome. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.